Hey guys, this is the Autodesk guy coming at you with tutorial number 2. Today we are going to be creating a part. So we're going to start off by going up to the application menu, going down to new and selecting part. Once you have this window open, we're going to start drawing. Now the drawing I'm using today, as you can see, it's a simple drawing I found. Not too hard, it's pretty easy. Easy enough for the beginner to follow along. I know it looks like a lot with all these dimensions going on here, but we're good. So we're going to start off by trying to draw this outside outline of the part, okay? So that's what we're going to do. What we're going to do is we're going to look at these dimensions though, and I'm going to figure out the length of this line and the length of this line, which is 4 and 1.75. It's a little hard to read, but I can tell it's 1.75. So we're going to go into here, and we're going to click line, go in, put it down. My computer's being a little slow right now. I don't know why. I got a bunch of stuff opened up. There we go. I'm going to do this. There we go. And we're going to dimension it. Now what I just did right there, it was so quick, I didn't even go up to the button. I just typed D for dimension, hit enter, and it automatically put me into that command. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click the dimension and select 4. That's 4 inches. We're going to go right here, select this. We're going to go right here, select that with the dimension. Very quick, easy stuff to do. There we go. There we go. Alright, now, so we got this outer portion pretty much done. We're going to go back to the drawing, and now we're going to check this out. Okay. So what we want to do is go up another, and what is it? We're going to subtract this value right here by this value to figure out this length. Okay. Which is what? 0.75. We're going to go up 0.75 and to the left 1.5. That's what we're going to do. This side's the same too. It's a very symmetric part, so we already know that side's good. So we go in here, we go up another 0.75, 0.75, go over 1.5, and there we go. There, get a point. And what we can do here, this is a little trick that I want you guys to try out. I'm going to draw a line up there, and we're going to go up here, okay, and we're going to, or right here, and we're going to select mirror. So what we're going to do, we're going to click mirror, and all it's asking right here is selecting the part that you want to mirror over. And this is all we want to select. Now we can select the mirror line. And since this is a symmetric object, we can do it right in the middle. So that's what we're going to do. Oops. Screwed that out. Let's start it over. There we go. Select mirror line there. Apply. And it mirrored it right across. There we go. So we're good there. We got the whole outside figured out. We're good. So what we can do here is finish the sketch. Computer's going slow again. We're going to go up to the view cube and just angle it so we know which way we're extruding our object. And we're going to click this face, obviously. And up here we're doing distance. We're trying to figure out the depth. So we're going to go back to our drawing. We're going to find out the depth. And it looks like 0.5. So half an inch. You can type 0.5. That's good. There we go. And that it's starting to look like what we got right here. It's starting to look like it. So there we go. Let's go into this face and select a new sketch. You guys should have learned this from tutorial 1. If not, I suggest going back and checking it out. When we're in this screen, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and just picture this face right here being right in front of you. We're going to try to do these 2 circles first, since they're both symmetrical also. We can kill two birds with one stone, so we're going to do that. I'm going to look at how far it goes in and up, just to figure out the center point. So it looks like we're going up 0.75 and 0.75 on each side, so that's pretty good there. So we're going to do that. Doesn't really matter your length of the lines or whatever. That's cool. And oh, by the way, guys, I just wanted. Did you guys see what just happened right here with my mouse? What happens is, if you have two lines and you're trying to dimension, um, and it keeps popping up this line, and you really want this other one that you just drew, the one that I just drew, and it won't pop up. If you hover over it for long enough, it'll pop up to this. And what it is you can switch over to the other line that's they're both being overlaid on. And then whenever you're good, you just select this middle button, which is basically OK. And click that out, and there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up 0.75, another 0.75, and we're going to find the middle point of that, which looks like to be right here. I don't know why I drew that. We could have done the circle at that point. It's alright. There we go. Got that. In a dimension. Now what was this? 0.5 circle. 0.5. Diameter. And you can tell if it's diameter or radius usually with parts because it just usually doesn't go with the flow. It just doesn't look right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the exact same thing that I just did in the last sketch. I'm going to mirror this object over. It's going to select like I do. I'm going to mirror this over this line, and what's going to happen is it's going to bring the circle over here. So we're going to finish, and we got that. Now what we want to do is we can also add this circle. Because they're all going through, cutting through, we can add this circle too. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out it's right in the center, and it's up 1.25 inches. So what we're going to do is I'm going to, since this line's already here, I can use it. It's perfect. We're going to type in 1.25, enter, and then we're going to put our circle. It's as simple as that. We're going to dimension it. And I believe it was a wacky number like 1.92. Don't ask me. There we go. That's looking pretty good. So once we get this, we're going to finish sketch. I right click. Whatever way you feel comfortable. We're going to extrude these. Extrude each of them. And we're going to cut it away if you guys remember doing this in tutorial number 1 also. We're going to cut away and it will automatically cut away that. And there you go. We have our part. Very simple, very basic. You learned about the mirror command and just really creating a part by yourself. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Check me out on Facebook too. I am the Autodesk guy. Coming at you again. Peace out.